In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the currency on Weebly in just a few simple steps. This is a great feature to utilize if you're conducting business internationally or simply need to align your store with the currency of your target market. Adjusting your currency settings in Weebly ensures that your pricing is relevant and relatable for your potential customers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Weebly home dashboard. This is the central hub from which you manage your website, and becoming familiar with it is key to making any changes efficiently. Once you're comfortably situated on the dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find various options and tools available to you. Locate the Settings tab and give it a click. Navigating to this area gives you access to a range of settings that you can adjust to customize how your site operates. In the Settings menu, look for and select the option labeled Checkout. This section is crucial as it influences how transactions are processed on your website. By making adjustments here, you ensure not only a seamless customer experience, but also proper alignment with your business operations. Scroll down to the bottom of the Checkout settings page, where you will find options for both country and currency. It's worth noting that while these settings can seem trivial at first glance, they're incredibly important for your business operations, especially if you're targeting international markets. These settings help to ensure that customers understand pricing in their own familiar currency, reducing any possible friction during the checkout process. Now, look for the Change button associated with these options. Click on Change to bring up the available currencies. This step is where you can select your preferred currency from a provided list. Make sure you choose the currency that best serves your business goals and customer needs. After making your selection, just confirm your choice. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now successfully changed the currency setting on your Weebly store. It's a straightforward process, but one that can have a significant impact on your business. Changing the currency ensures that your pricing structure aligns with your customers' expectations, thereby enhancing their overall shopping experience. It also allows you to manage transactions more effectively across different regions. That's all you need to do to update the currency on your Weebly site. Thank you for following along, and I hope this quick guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time.